everyone, welcome to my channel where I like to make videos on God, goals, and grad school. Now this is a part of my goals series. I want to teach you one simple trick to really make sure that your resume makes the impact that you want it to. So the method I want to teach you is what is commonly known as the CAR method. It stands for Context, Action, Result. This is a structure that really helps the reader understand what was going on and what your part was in this endeavor. It's really important to make sure that that's very clear because recruiters do not spend a lot of time on your resume. They spend 10 seconds, maybe 2 minutes trying to understand who you are, what you have to offer, and if you fit the job profile that they're looking for. So every word counts, every second counts. And let's be real, now more than ever with tools like ZipRecruiter and all the other kinds of services that are using artificial intelligence, you're not just trying to catch the human's eye, you need to actually beat an algorithm. So I'm going to teach you how to overcome that as well to make sure that you at least pass the first hurdle when it comes to getting your resume in front of the right people. So first is context. What was the situation? This is something that needs to be very short when it comes to a resume, but you might want to practice this because this also comes in handy for your interviews. So don't throw away the complete context, but you might want to set up the context in 2 to 4 words, like improved organizational environment by, and then you can go into your action, coordinating a function, designing marketing materials, and X, resulting in, that's the result, 20% increase in attendance for annual event. Something like that helps me understand what you did, how you did it, and what the outcome was. That's going to be something that helps me envision what you are going to be like in my organization. So context, action, results. The other thing that I think is really important is for you to just understand what your audience is looking for. And the first step to understand what that is by reading the job description. There's people who spend a lot of money and time trying to write the perfect job description. Use that to your advantage. There are often skills, descriptions, things that really help try to paint a picture for what this position is going to be. So you're going to want to make sure that your resume at least tries to articulate that you have transferable skills, if not direct skills that will translate to the job at hand. Look out for some good keywords. Don't try to force the matter, make it authentic, but I want you to try to see how you can make connections between what your past is to what your future is going to be at the next organization that you're going to be interviewing with. Now that was a nice little bonus, but I don't want you to forget the structure of context, action, result, CAR method. Go for it. If this little mini tip was helpful for you, then give me a thumbs up. As I put together these mini lessons, let me know in the comments below the kinds of subjects that you want me to tackle, whether it's how to answer the tell me about yourself question, how to answer questions about multiple jobs that you've had, things like that. I will use my experience, training, and research to answer these questions, and I'm really excited to help you get to your next big step.